Hello, once again is Richard Dupey here, and this is national. There is a plan that I saw in international paper. International is a private Lotto here. It's in the year 2014. Okay, let's see this plan. At event 859, they play 65 machine. Following week, then they play 69 at winning. Following week, then they play the 69 scanter, that is 24. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, they play 64. From the 64, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then they play 56. Following week, double 4 will play at first position machine. From that double 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks down, they play 42 first, then 85 will play in machine. Following week, they play 53. Following week, 51 will play. Following week, they will play single one at fourth position, then 62 will play in each machine. Following week, that was last week, the 65 that we saw over there will come and play with 37. The 65 will play at the position with 37. So following week, that single one will jump. The 53 will also come and play. Then the 64 will also play on the event to play with the 37 scanter, that is 82. So the 82, 53, 64, single one becomes a 4 numbers or 4 direct on the event. But you can see 53 moves with 76, so it's also on the event. When you come to the current, you will see at event 3247, they play the 65 again machine. Following week 69. Following week the 69 will counter 24 to play machine. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. That is the 64. From the 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down, 56 at winning. Following week, double 4 at first position machine. Then from that double 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 weeks down, they play 42 at fourth position, 85 machine. Then following week, they play 53. Following week, 51. Following week, single one at fourth position. Then 62 will play in machine. Then now following week, that 65 will come and play at first position with 37. So following week, that single one will have to jump. The 53 will come back and play with it. And then the 64 will come. Then the 37 will counter to 82. So 82, 37, 64, 82, 53, single one, and then the 64. 4 numbers. Those are the numbers on the event here. You see, this is the main event that I'm using though. At event 884. Numbers on the event are 82, 53, 64, 76, and then single one. Single one, a full banker. 82, 53, 64, 76, 61. You know, I don't like putting numbers together. That is not my style. If not, I would have loved to put some numbers together with this single one being a full banker. There is a plan that is in the national itself. It's in so many papers. If I can remember some of them, I will show you. Here you can see at event 1153 in the national itself in the year 1984. They play 19, then 51 at winning. Then following week they play single one. Following week 37. You can see the single one will jump back. But what is playing with is the group ones. That is the 37 here is group 1. only the key of the single one is the 58 on the event. So like the plan supposed to play these 3 numbers. The 37 will repeat, the single one will jump to join it. That is a too short. Is this 37 that is playing it? You can see it at the top here. 37 supposed to play, it's supposed to repeat and play with the single one jumping. So that is a too short. If you come to, it's in so many papers, I can't lie to you. You can see this one is in the year 2011. 2011, as you can see, they play single 2 following week 82, 3 weeks down. Then the 82 will counter 37 to play at winning. Following week, the 37 will repeat, play with the single one, and then the 58. There is another one also here, you can see. They also play the 37. This one is going up. So you see that the 37 will have to repeat, play with the single one, and then the 58. Then he play with 64. 64 is on the main event. That particular thing is at so many places, okay? But the single one jumping, this is also one of them. You can see single one 41. Then the 41 will counter 86 last week to play with 37 under the single one. So the single one will have to jump as a full banker. That thing that I was showing, this is also another one. 69, 3 weeks down. 37, the 37 will repeat and play with the single one. That is a too short. If you go to Friday, it's in Friday. If you go to Thursday, it's in Thursday. That particular plan. Let me see if here. This one is in Friday. 24. Following week, they play 39 machine. Then 37 will play at winning position. So it will repeat and play with single one. That is also one. But the group ones that the number is playing with, this one is also another one, still confirming the single one being a banker. You can see here it's also in Friday. They play single one. Following week, the single one repeat. Following week, they play 27. Then in machine, they play 39, 64. So the 64 is supposed to come out from the machine to play with the 82, and then the single one jumping. That is on our main event, the 3 numbers, as you can see. So this becomes the main event that I'm using, as you can see. The 82, 53, 64, 76, and then single one. Those are the 5 numbers on event 884 in the international paper. Numbers on the event 82, 53, 64, 76, and then single one. So I'm using the single one 64, 82 as the 3 numbers. Single one 64, 82 because of the one that they play over here. Even though the 53 is also banker, I'm using because of these 3 numbers. That's what I'm using as my 3 numbers on the event. So let's hope for the best. Bye for now. Okay, let's hope national favor is like that. Okay, bye for now.